Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to document how I mix 6 colors of Dharma blue dyes. This water to dye ratio was taken directly off Dharma's website. I will be using 8 ounces, which is also 1 cup, of plain tap water to mix all 6 of these dyes. I'd like for you to take note how much dye I'm using. I am not doing heaping teaspoons. These are level teaspoons of dye. This bottle is leaking badly, so all you have to do is grab some plumber's tape, wrap it around a few times, and voila, it's fixed. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's giving me comments and feedback on their blues compared to my blues. And I appreciate you guys watching while I get to the bottom of this. I know that I'm not the only person that bought all these colors of blue after the reformulation, and they're just not correct. They are too blue. And if Bluebird was used to make them, that would explain why, because Bluebird is extremely overpowering. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.